Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add your 1 photo and 6 photos of your girlfriend or boyfriend. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Select font and style according to you and place the text. Now apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now write second text. Now apply text layer till the first photo. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.